Let me share with you the roadmap to earning $2,800 a month. It doesn't happen overnight. I'm going to share you a step-by-step roadmap of earning $2,800 a month with James Charles's products and James Charles's video riding his coattails. So this is one of my student Amy's websites. She rides the coattails of James Charles's tutorials and products, and she earns money online with his products, working smart by not selling. So in the next minute or so, I'm going to share with you how this is done. This is earning without selling, and I will share with you a roadmap to earning $2,800 or more a month or more by working smart online and not selling. So I teach my student Amy and the rest of my successful students how to work smart with social media. So she's going to engage this by not selling, by asking engaging questions. So if she wants to post this on her social media, she simply clicks right here. And then what I suggest you do is not put this on your profile page, put this on your makeup page. If you have a fitness page, a fitness website, a fitness Facebook page, etc., etc. Then if you look over to the right, this is a finished post to her social media. Have you watched this James Charles tutorial before? Do you have your own James Charles to share? That's working smart. That's engaging people without selling. People don't want to be sold. They want to be entertained. So that video on your social media points back to your website, and then you can engage them with James Charles's videos or anybody's videos, products, etc., etc. I'm saying this because you're on a James Charles channel right now. So here's how the numbers add up. My average student within a 46-week period, hey, maybe it takes you longer, maybe it takes you 8 weeks to do this, has 37 paid customers going to their turnkey web store to buy Amazon products, okay? So 37 people, and the average purchase is about $129. Okay, so that is this number right here. Amazon's going to pay you between 4 and 10%. My students earn an average of 5% times 5%. Now, what does that represent? That's $238 a month every month. But keep in mind, 37 students this month, 37 students the following month. 37 customers. My mistake. So if you take that basic number, $238 a month at the end of the year, and again, maybe this takes you 15 months, maybe it takes a year and a half to get there. I'm not going to blow smoke up your nose. I want to teach you how to work smart online. Let's take that number times 12. That's now $2,800 a month, recurring revenue, month after month after month. The more customers you add, the more you're adding to your bottom line. But again, do you see how this was basically just simple numbers, building blocks? Now again, my average student after 46 weeks is engaging and getting 37 customers a month buying their products from Amazon from their website. Hey, some do a little less, some do a little bit more. Let's say that you're not very good at this and you only had, 20 customers a month. It adds up. Earning online is about numbers, building, building, building. So let's move forward. But I assure you, nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Now, let's say you didn't get 37 customers a month. Let's say you got 20 customers a month. Well, 20 customers adds up. And again, you have to treat this like a serious business. If you're looking for the get rich quick or making $5,000 by next Monday or the end of the month, it's not going to happen. So stop chasing the snake oil crap, the nonsense out there, and get yourself a hold of a serious turnkey system. I have a $200 off special offer for James Charles's fans. Click the banner ad. Go to my website. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you 100% nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Thanks again for being here. Go check out the rest of my videos on my website, and let's work smart online and earn by not selling. Happy 2021. Carpe diem.